Complacent. Feeling satisfied with your own abilities or situation.
I don't know what Mom's thinking. This whole country club scene is so decadent. All these spoiled brats and their smug, complacent parents. It just reinforces the...
3 months. 3 months in the water and the men have become complacent and sloppy.
Wasp. A thin black and yellow flying insect.
Well,
I met someone.
you met someone? Was she bee-ish? Well, not a wasp. Your parents will kill you.
No, not a wasp.
Spider?
You know, not a
We trade the honey for chalk and yardsticks.
Hornets make honey?
Better than wasp honey. Not as good as bee.
Is this how you talk on dates?
Rehabilitate. To return something to a good condition.
Yo, why would you want to do this lame-ass job anyway? I mean, no offense.
Because I'm on probation, yo. Gotta prove to the man I'm rehabilitated.
So the fact that I was now contacting him was a last desperate attempt to rehabilitate my sexuality.
Parole. Permission for someone to leave prison.
Life in prison, without possibility of parole.
Those men locked up for 8 years in Blackgate and denied parole under the Dent Act based on a lie.
Vertical. Pointing up in a line that forms an angle of 90 degrees with a flat surface.
He's ascending in the vertical transporter. All right, everyone. Hang on, we're gonna blast through the roof.
Bud?
All right, hands in the air, vertically. Both arms should be parallel to each other. You, fill this bag with clean...
Multitude. A large crowd of people.
There are 2 blue macaws out there, and I need your multitude of eyes to help me find them.
Oh, yeah?
Technivore, open the road for our infinite multitudes. The world will be purified by Technivore.
Nominate. To officially suggest someone for an election or job.
President, all I need now is one more ordinary board member. Mr. Fox, would you like to nominate?
No.
This week, we got 90% of world leaders, everyone who bought a Hanes undershirt, and this year's most promising new R&B group. Give it up for the Grammy-nominated Funkalistics!
Potential. The possibility that something will develop in a particular way.
Some say that a career as a scream can designer is boring, unchallenging, a waste of a monster's potential.
Oh, yeah, wait, what?
Almost finished with the potential disasters, where scenario is either quicksand, spontaneous combustion, or getting called on by the teacher. So as long...
Morgue. A building or room where dead bodies are kept.
Oh, you can take me to jail now.
Oh, no. I was thinking more like the morgue.
You're dead!
Whoa, 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 whoa. This isn't...
Real quiet all of a sudden.
Quiet as a morgue.
Morgues aren't all that quiet, actually.
Maybe if...
Preoccupied. Thinking or worrying about something too much.
Oh, I'm sorry. I should have asked what was bothering you. I've been kind of preoccupied.
With what?
Well, did you happen to get milk yesterday? Huh?
No, I forgot I was preoccupied with something that I think you're gonna like.
That's not...
Upholstery. The cloth used for covering a seat.
online. If it works, we'll be regular sized in a few minutes. I just hope Ruben's not in a room with white carpets or upholstery.
What the?
Singular. That means it can't be clothing fiber.
Yeah. Short and coarse. Car upholstery?
Yeah.
Indifference. Lack of interest or concern.
In an SBC poll, 38% said they were fed up and tired of the holiday, 5% said they were indifferent to it, and a whopping 57% said they would kick Bon Jovi square in the balls if given the opportunity. Well,
Sadness. Scorn. Pity. Love. Maybe just indifference.